I'm doing everything I can over here to try to get Vasily's attention. I'm dressing like Monica. I'm thinking to get an Acura tattoo. I don't know, maybe on my butt. I'm not really sure. I'm just throwing ideas out there. But you know what's a girl gotta do to get some attention around here?
Yo, you better do better than that, girl, because you know what? I mean, Monica, she's pretty hot. You know what I'm saying? So people think I open the door for my wife because I'm so sweet, but she never watches for this, bro.
But can Monica do this?
Yo, Tara, come back! Come back, woman! Yo, woman, come back! Monica, you can't do this. Monica, can you move like this? Monica, show me some. Monica, I'm about to leave you, Monica.